We are replacing the ABS sensor on this 2019 Chevy Blazer. We're gonna replace the driver rear ABS sensor. It's located right there. That one is broken. The wires was cut, so we're gonna replace it. You're gonna have a c0045 set. So we're gonna start by removing this 10mm bolt here. And we're gonna record the sensor and take it off this it's like a bracket, and we're gonna pop those clip here that secure the wiring to the control arm. Okay, you can use a hammer to pop it off though. Now we're gonna remove the old sensor. There you go. You're gonna unplug the sensor from up here. With the old one, we're gonna push the tab up with a flathead screwdriver, a little thick like this, and here's the old one. So what I did was push the red tab and push down the black tab here and pull it out. Okay, the new sensor. Now we're gonna push the push pins in the hole here. As you see here, I secure the harness to the control arm. Gonna do this one here. It's attached up there. And it's all set. And you need to push it in to secure it up there. There it is. Secure. It's all set, guys, and we need to secure this into place here, and take the old one out. And that's it, guys. Just clear your code and vehicle's good to go. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.